Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Let me get the GoLabs 300 turned on here. This is my lithium power pack, and we can get the lights turned on here. There we go. Things are a little different in the camper than the truck camper here than they were last time I made a video, because we've made some improvements. I had the shell taken off and resealed, built a bed platform, which is what I'm sitting on, and added some of these Walmart storage bins. So this should be, a lot better than it was. But the whole reason I'm out here tonight is because we're supposed to have some pretty extreme weather. They are talking about a front moving through in the early morning hours, and 50 plus mile an hour wind gusts are supposed to accompany it. So, got the old Tundra out and headed back to the back 40 out in a field. I didn't want to be near any trees. I didn't want to take a chance of anything falling on us with those gusts. And I'm going to ride out the storm, so to say, here in the truck camper. So it ought to be pretty cool. I'll be checking in with you if we have any good weather, and if not, I'll see you in the morning, and I'll show you my camper setup, my build. I'm pretty proud of it. See you in the morning, if not before. Alrighty, there's the first wave of rain. The wind has kind of subsided a little bit, but I gotta close the windows. Well, I went back to sleep and slept like a rock. The rain hitting on the top of the shell here. So, we had a good evening. Everything went well. Truck rock and rolled with the wind gust, but no leaks and no issues whatsoever. So, time to make some coffee. Get up, get going. Wind's howling now. Okay, well, this is brewing. Let me show you a couple of things. Well, let's start with the power source. It's a GoLabs R300 lithium power supply. Some people call them solar chargers because they can be charged up from a solar panel really easy. That's what I power my lights, charge my phones, do that type of thing, cameras. Anyway, these are just some, like I said earlier, Walmart storage bins. But man, they are nice, you know. Gives you plenty of room for stuff. And I just filled them with what I needed to do an overnighter. The beautiful thing is, if we were going to go on a longer trip, it's already set up and ready to go for it. This is just one of those Z pads. Put it down here because it's easy on my knees. It's a good place to rest your feet. But the biggest thing about this build, and I'll have to show you when it's not raining a little better, is the bed platform. It's got a 3-inch pad on it. I added a couple of extra ones underneath it because I'm a side sleeper. And it got me up off the ground, you know, off the floor of the truck. But it also gave me some storage. Didn't need the heater last night. And then at the end, from the outside, there's about a 2-foot compartment underneath the bed that is accessible from the outside. That window has been open all evening, all morning long, with just very little rain blowing in. Just wiped it up a little bit, a couple drops occasionally. So I've had great ventilation. I'll close this back now. So it's worked out really well, and I'm pretty excited about the build. Glad I'm not in a tent. Because you probably wouldn't be in one for very long. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to sit here and enjoy my coffee. Thanks for coming along with me. I think the build is a success here. I'll have to show you in another upcoming video. Actually, I'll have 2 of them. One will be the screwed that one all up, didn't I? Anyway, I'm going to have 2 more videos. One I've already filmed and I'm editing. That was the actual build of the bed platform. And then I'm going to have one that shows why I designed it the way I did. And that is because it will just slide right in and lock down. No drilling, no hose in the truck, nothing. With the Walmart storage bins, it's just a simple slide stuff in, throw what you need for your trip in with it, and you're out of here. You get back home, open up the gate, pull the stuff right back out. It's just an easy process. So, like I said, I will be making a video on that one as well. But anyway, thanks for coming along, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Also, we'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And the thumbs up always helps with the algorithm with the YouTube. So, anyway, later.